friends, welcome back or welcome to my kitchen if you're new here. Today we're making salmon with a mango avocado salsa that's to die for. I had it at a restaurant and it was delicious and I was like, you know what, I have to recreate this and share it because it's honestly wonderful. So let me show you what you're gonna need. I am using salmon, like I said, but you can do this with any type of fish. The restaurant actually served it with swordfish. I'm not a huge fan of swordfish. I find it to be a little too dry at times. So I opted for salmon, but you can do it with tilapia, cod, swordfish, pretty much any type of fish will work for this recipe. You're gonna need a little bit of olive oil, red onion, your ripe avocado, some mango, lime, cilantro, a little bit of salt. I also have some garlic powder, a little bit of chili powder, and some tahini. This is totally optional, but I love to add it to the sauce and it just gives it amazing flavor. I also have a skillet that's already preheated. It's on medium heat, so let's get right into it. I'm going to drizzle the skillet with just a tad bit of oil, about 1 to 2 tablespoons. And now I'm going to just mix my spices real quick so I can sprinkle the salmon all over with my spice mix and I get nicely coated. I'm also going to add just a tad bit of salt. Okay, so I'm going to add in my salmon skin side down. We're gonna cook this just for about 3 minutes on each side. It will depend on the size of your fish. If it's bigger, you have to cook it for longer. If it's smaller, you gotta cook it for less. We're gonna start working on the salsa. If you are not a fast shopper, like if you don't chop veggies very quickly and it takes you a little more time, make sure you do this part first and then start on the fish, because if it's gonna take you a little bit longer, then you wanna have this ready, but it should be fine. So you want to cut your avocado. You want it really nice and ripe. Look how beautiful this one looks. I'm only going to do half the avocado today because I'm only doing half the recipe. You want to make sure you keep an eye on your fish as it cooks. Now I'm going to dice my avocado. You can dice it as small or as big as you like. You're going to add it to your bowl. You're gonna do the same thing to your mango. So just cut one side and then you wanna dice it just like so. And you're gonna use a spoon to scoop everything out. You're going to chop your cilantro. Okay, you add that into your bowl as well. My salmon looks amazing. This one was really skinny, so it kept falling all over the place, but it cooked just for about, I would say, 2 to 3 minutes on each side because they're pretty small. Now we mince some of this onion. This looks perfect. You add it into your bowl as well. So you can see this comes together very quickly. We add the juice of half a lime. You can add the whole lime if you wish, but I like it just with half a lime. You add a bit of salt and my secret ingredient, some tahini. This makes it so good, trust me. Now we give everything a good toss. This is ready to be served. And as you can see, it just comes together so quickly. It took me less than 15 minutes. You can serve this over rice. That's how I like to serve it. Over some white rice. That's how they served it at the restaurant. And that's actually how I like to eat it. So you add your salsa all over your fish. I like to add a lot of it because this is so yummy. And you can serve it just like this. Super quick and delicious dinner. And obviously we can't finish the video before the taste test. So We're gonna check on, okay, the salmon is perfectly cooked. It's not dry at all. You get, let me get this out of the way so you can see what I'm doing. You get some of your mango, some avocado, salmon. It's like the perfect bite. And this reminds me of my grandma a little bit because she loves to eat white rice with mango, and I always thought that was so strange. But now I love it. It's like the sweet, salty, savory. It's like so good. I hope you guys enjoyed this very simple and delicious recipe. I know you will love it. Get the written recipe on my website, anitasdelightsrecipes.com. There's always a link to it in the description box. Make this, you won't regret it. So spectacular, super easy, definitely restaurant quality and style. The best. Hope you enjoyed. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.